going to show you how to connect an Xbox controller to your Galaxy A27 5G. So if you want to play some games which are controller compatible, then you need to pair them up. And this is very simple. All you have to do is go into settings. So on the main settings page, go to connections and then go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on and scanning for devices. Now, the next thing you want to do is turn on the Xbox controller. And then you want to put it in Bluetooth pairing mode by pressing and holding the pairing button at the top of the controller until that light starts blinking like that. That means it's in pairing mode. So your phone should detect the controller. Now, if it's not detected, then you can just scan again and then check under available devices, and you can see the Xbox wireless controller is now detected. If you press on it, you can tap on pair and confirm it's going to get paired and connected. Simple as that. Now you do need some compatible games to take advantage of your Xbox controller on your Galaxy A27. Thanks for watching. Good luck.